doing well? This is Anjali and welcome back to my channel. So आज का वीडियो होने वाला है the most requested video on my channel, that is gift ideas for men or boys. So today I'm here with the video. So without any further ado, let's get straight into the video. This is a men's wallet. I got this wallet for rupees 120 from a local store. You can give these kind of wallets to your brother, friend or anyone else. Different wallets are available at different rates, so you can go according to your budget. I think this will be a nice idea to gift any boy. Let's pack it now. This is a men's shirt that I got from the local store. You can give these kind of shirt to your loved ones and I'm sure they definitely gonna love it. So I don't have right now the original box, so I'm packing this in this box, but if you have, you can pack in that original box. It will look more good. This is a diary that I got from the online. It has 5 elements drawn on its outer cover. The pages are so colorful and quirky, which looks great. Different diaries are available at different rates, so you can go according to your budget. By the way, I got this diary for just rupees 180. Now let's pack it. This is a coffee mug which I got from the local store. These kinds of mugs are also available online, so you can also get it from there. Different mugs are available at different prices. You can also have a customized mug in place of this to have a personal touch. Now let's pack this. perfume. Right now I don't have any men's perfume to show you, but I'm just giving you an idea that you can gift perfume to your loved ones. And I got this perfume for rupees 120 from our local store. As this video is based on men's gift ideas, so you can go for other men's brand if you know. This is a chocolate from the brand called Dairy Milk. I got this chocolate for rupees 100. I think chocolate is one of the best things to gift anyone. You can increase or decrease the quantity of chocolate according to your budget. Now let's pack it. For that you need an old wedding card or any other paper. This is a Ludo game that I got from the local store. I got it for just 60. I think it will be a good idea to gift anyone.